What's up, guys? On today's video I'm going to be changing out some of the parts on my car that need to be changed. The cup holders, center, chrome bezel. As y'all can see, this chrome is all messed up. We're going to be changing this one out. I had already changed this. It came out pretty good. We're also going to be changing this center thing right here. It's cracked, so we'll be replacing that one too. I'm gonna move the car over to the shade and then de ahí lo empezamos a arreglar. Alright, well, we're going to start changing out this chrome bezel for the cup holders with my screwdriver. I always keep a screwdriver in my side pockets over here in the car. Easier to work with. Yeah, I got the parts that I'm going to be replacing right here. Yeah, I got that. I also got the center seat right here. Way better. Alright, we're going to start pulling this thing off. Taking all this apart. Grab from the sides, pull it up. It should come up. Oh wait, let's take this chrome part off first. Alright. Pull this out. Alright. We got it off already. On the back there's 4 screws. We're going to take these 4 screws off and we'll be able to pop it out. It's better with a Phillips screwdriver, that way you don't break the little plastic where the screw's going. Just make sure you keep up with the screws, you don't want to lose those screws. Let me know what y'all think about the end result. Oh yeah, and these parts, I got them from the junkyard. I think I paid like $5 for this. Found it at the junkyard, took it out myself. And well, the other one, paid about 10, paid 15 for both, so I think that was a pretty good deal. A little bit of work yourself, you got it good. Made it. All right, take this off. Now we're gonna start popping all these little clips off right here. Just keep working your way down. There you go. That's down right there. Look at that. So you got the difference. So it's trash now. Pop this one back in here. I'll clean the whole car real good afterwards and show y'all the end results. And this one goes either way, looks the same. You start popping it back in. Take your time with it, you don't want to break nothing. There it goes. There it goes. Alright, got it. Check it out. And now just repeat the process. Put everything back together. Put this back on. Put the screws back on. What's going on here? Okay, so this is not fitting on there right, because this one didn't have no tab right here. So what we're gonna do is break these off right here. See, break this one off. Break this one off. There we go. Should fit back on there. Alright, there it goes. Now just put your screws back on there. One, two. I'm sorry if y'all can't hear me real good. I hope I was able to explain myself good in this video. Three. Oh, that's what you don't want to happen. Screw loss. Don't worry, we'll find it right now. You guys will come out. Esos tornillos que se caen. Eso, madre. ¿Dónde estás? Let me look for it and I'll get right back to you. Well, I got my magnet. Let's see if we can find this damn screw that fell. Can't really see it. Did y'all see where it fell? I did it. Well, I lost the screw. I guess we're gonna have to put it back on without it. Está bien, no pasa nada. Quedó mamalón. Put it back on. Now we gotta stick this in first. Snap it in. Without breaking. Brake, you buy. Especially because it's yours, you have to buy. There it goes. Bam. What do y'all think? Pretty good? I think it came out looking good. Now we're going to be changing this thing. You call it armrest? Center armrest? That's what you call it? Check it out. So for this, all you gotta do, lift up the top part, and it has 4 screws. You just take those screws off too. Yeah, get it. Let's try not to lose these. One. Two. Three. Sorry guys, I'm not left-handed. I'm trying my best. There it goes. That's all there is to it. Now, bring in the new one. Bam. So it's all the same. Just repeat the process. Slide it back in there. Line it up with your hose. And put your screws back on. Remember, these parts, I got them off of the junkyard. Don't have to pay too much to replace your car the way you want it. All you gotta do is walk around the junkyard, get the best ones. Try to walk around, get the best prices. Alright, one's on. Now we can probably use our damn good hand. Don't lose these damn screws. There you go. Hey, we still need our left hand. Help us out. Last screw. ¿Cómo ven? ¿Se ve bien o no? Es fácil esto. De volada se cambia. Pinche cambiazo. Mira, ven. Quedó mamalón, mato, mira. There you have it, guys. Brand new center handrest and new chrome cup holder besel. Check it out. I have replaced this one already. There you have it, guys. It's all done. This is the end result. Let me know what y'all think. Replace this chrome bezel, clean it up. I think it came out pretty good. Everything looks original. The match drill right for you. Cleaned up everything. Came out looking shiny. Nice. Well, let me know what y'all think. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And please like and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Si tienen preguntas, déjenme saber en los comentarios, por favor. Gracias. Nos vemos en la próxima.